Hi there, it's Clive Linden here again, and I'm back on the old meal replacement tip. And today we have something a little bit different, a little bit special. So many of you that have seen my videos before know that I've tried out lots of different meal replacement products, stuff that is meant to sort of provide all your nutritional needs and vitamins, etc., etc. And this is very much a new thing that sort of seems to be, started in Silicon Valley and be spreading across America and Europe, etc., and the rest of the world. How do we make sure that we're getting all the nutritional values and minerals that our bodies require in our busy lifestyles? So it's a big thing at the moment. But meal replacements are nothing new, and they've been around, and supplementary diet replacements have been around for a long time. But technology now and processes have improved them a lot. But as I said, they're not new. And in Japan, there is this product called Calorie Mate. Calorie Mate. And it is by the same company that brings you Pocari Sweat, interesting enough. And Calorie Mate has been around, I think, since the early 80s in Japan. And its function is to make sure that you are getting a balanced diet. So it's aimed at the sort of salaryman who's too busy, who's not eating the right kind of foods and stuff, and then needs a snack now and then to ensure that they're getting a fully sort of balanced diet with the right proteins, carbohydrates, and the right kind of fats, etc., etc. And it's provided in this useful pack. Now, don't worry if you're in Europe or the US, I imagine, but definitely don't worry about in Europe. I've seen this on Amazon, but I've also seen it on other sites, especially in the UK, that you can buy this, and you can buy it cheaper than on Amazon. But I'll come to the pricing later. So what is Calorie Mate? Well, it's described on their site, Otsuka Pharmaceutical. It contains a good balance of 5 major nutrients: protein, fat, sugars, vitamins and minerals. When there's not enough time for a regular meal, Calorie Mate lets you easily replenish your nutrients at any time. Comes in a variety of formats: block, which is this one, a can, and jelly types. And they come in different flavours. This is the fruit flavour. Here I've got 2 of them. My friend got them from me from Japan, but as I say, you can get them in the UK. You'll see here actually, it just describes how there's a balance of the sort of carbohydrates, fats and sugars and proteins, etc. One block, so I think there's 2 bits in here that make up the block, contains 400 calories, there's 8 grams of protein, 22 grams of fat, 43 grams of carbohydrates, which 41 is sugar, so that's quite a lot of sugar. And then various other vitamins like your calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin A, vitamin B's, complex, niacin, pantothenic acid, folic acid, vitamin C and vitamin D, which recently I read on BBC that some doctors believe that we should be taking vitamin D supplements because we're not getting enough from just going outside in the sun, etc. And vitamin E. So the idea is, as I say, if you're living, busy lifestyle, perhaps you're not eating properly at the right times, that you grab one of these and it will make sure that you're maintaining the right levels of vitamins. So it's like a meal replacement snack. They don't recommend that you replace your whole diet, your whole sort of food with these. That's not the point. They're meant to sort of be, sort of snacks that make sure that you're getting the right vitamins and minerals. That's the principle behind it. Interesting enough, it features, for those gamers, of which I am one out there, features in the game Metal Gear Solid.
I see you have a Calorie Mate.
Calorie Mate?
The thing you're holding now?
Oh, the little block that looks like a cookie?
Try it, it's pretty good.
Okay, but what is this thing? Never seen anything like it.
Calorie Mate is an energy supplement that contains all the proteins, lipids, vitamins, carbohydrates, and minerals needed for a balanced diet. It's a well-balanced food. Because of that, it's just perfect for giving your body the nutrition it needs in combat.
It sounds like a space-age food.
Your eponymous hero, Snake, uses this as his rationing, and it replenishes his health bar every time he has one of these. But that's a little kind of cultural fact for you. But what is it and what's it taste like? So let's open it and let's have a little look here. Right, so they come in there, you get 2 bars. that here, and I say the whole pack is 400 calories. So you maybe could have a snack during the morning and a snack during the afternoon. That's the idea. They come in these foil wrap packets, keep them sort of fresh. Quite small, as you can see. Let's have a look. This is the fruit flavour. They come in different flavours. They launched with a cheese flavour, which sounds very weird. This is the fruit flavour. There's a chocolate block, a fruit block, and a maple block. Just reading the site here. Oh, and a cheese block. Okay, so they look like, if you look, they look like a sort of a shortbread. This is just one stick. There's 2 fingers in each of these. And they look like a kind of shortbread, if you can see there. And tiny little fruit bits in it, I think. Hard to tell. Yeah, and it has the texture of a sort of a shortbread as well. Not a sugary shortbread, but it's the same sort of texture when I broke it there. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, I'm getting the little jelly bits. So yeah, it just tastes like shortbread. Not the shortbread that's absolutely coated in sugar. But it's got that similar, it's quite sort of a dry taste. I can sort of sense of the slight fruit flavours there. But this would be perfect, a cup of tea or a cup of coffee in the morning. Those look like kind of a biscuit snack or something like that. Reach one of these instead of your chocolate bar, and you're making sure you're getting all your nutritional and vitamin requirements, or a nice, at least a balance of it. It's a bit dry, I think, just to have on its own, but if I had a cup of tea, I wish I had a cup of tea right with me right now. If I had a cup of tea with this, I think it would be fine. A dry shortbread. Certainly slightly more tasty than some of the meal replacement bars that I've had, which feel really sort of dry in their texture. This would suit a cup of tea or coffee much better. So it's about £2.35. A block of this is about £2.35. 400 calories, £2.35, which isn't bad. I did see some YouTube video guy, and he had a bin. He'd been living in Japan, I think virtually on the poverty line, and he had a bin just full of empty boxes, and he said he'd been living off it. I don't recommend that from what they say on the site, but I think certainly if you're not eating properly or getting a lot of junk food and not eating the right things, and you're busy and your lifestyle's a bit hectic, then as a grab a snack and go sort of thing, ensuring you get that kind of healthy balance right, if you're not sort of doing it properly with your food that you're taking, it could be a good option. I'm getting slight grapefruity taste to it. That's some of the fruit bits in it. I'm not a fan of the grapefruit. I find there's a lack of sweetness in grapefruit I don't like. But it's still very sweet. The sugar content does seem high though, to me. The whole pack. Basically 41 grams of sugar. I guess that's what gives you the energy. So those that are kind of a bit susceptible to sugar might have a kind of energy spike, I'm not sure. But as I say, this is available in convenience stores and everywhere in Japan. It's been around for a long time, or certainly since the 80s, as I said. And it's very popular with the salaryman and busy people, as I understand it. And in their adverts, looking on their site, they've got some sort of creative musician who's, working away, creating some wonderful music, and then snacking on a Calorie Mate bar in between because he's, too busy to sort of stop and eat, as it were. So that's the idea. What does it contain? A good balance of nutrients that your body needs: proteins, fats, sugars, 11 vitamins, and 6 minerals. Provides about half the amount of vitamins. So one packet provides about half the vitamins that you require for a day. And the idea is easily replenish nutrients anywhere, anytime you're too busy for a regular meal. So where you're going to miss out on that meal, I guess that's what they're saying. If you're kind of missing out on meals, don't skip your meals. If you haven't got time to grab a meal or grab a sandwich, the idea is grab one of these blocks, have those, and that should sustain you while at the same time providing you with your nutrients and minerals that you require. There we are. I thought I'd give it a go. Calorie Mate from Japan, as recommended by Snake in Metal Gear Solid. Check it out. As I say, it is available in the UK and is just another useful alternative to those of the busy life who perhaps forget to eat or working too hard, etc., etc. Have it with a cup of tea or a coffee or whatever, and there you go. Let me know what you think about that, whether it's interesting or not. Please like, subscribe. More videos coming very soon. Thank you.